If you use Evernote to organize notes, tasks, meetings, and project ideas, then learning how to use tags properly can save you a ton of time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags in Evernote, how to use multiple tags on the same note, and how to quickly find everything later using those tags. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Evernote and either create a brand new note or open an existing one that you want to organize. Tags work best when you use them consistently, so think of them like labels that help you sort your notes by topic, priority, or project. For example, you might use tags like meeting, project, urgent, invoice, or ideas. Once your note is open, scroll down to the bottom of the note area. Depending on your version of Evernote, the tag section may appear near the note details or at the bottom of the note itself. Look for the Add Tag option and click it. When you do that, you'll be able to type in the name of your tag. Now type a tag name that makes sense for your workflow. You can use one simple tag like meeting if the note is related to a meeting, or you can use more specific tags like client meeting, marketing plan, or follow up. After typing the tag name, press enter to save it to the note. That's it. The tag is now attached to that note. If you want to add more than one tag, just repeat the same process. Click Add Tag again, type the next tag, and press Enter. Evernote lets you use multiple tags on the same note, which is great when a single note belongs to more than one category. For example, a note could be tagged as project, client work, and urgent all at once. This is where Evernote tagging becomes really powerful. Instead of searching through every note manually, you can build a simple system where tags do the organizing for you. If you are managing school notes, use tags like homework, class notes, and exam prep. If you are using Evernote for business, use tags like sales, follow-up, proposal, or team meeting. The key is to keep your tags short, clear, and easy to remember. Now let's look at how to view your tags. On the left sidebar in Evernote, click Tags. This will show you a list of all the tags you've created. From there, you can select any tag to see all of the notes connected to it. This makes it much easier to find related information without relying only on search. If you ever want to stay organized long-term, try using the same tag style across all your notes. For example, don't mix one-word tags with random full sentences. Keep your tag names consistent so your Evernote library stays clean and easy to manage. A good tag system can turn Evernote into a much more powerful second brain. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to open a note, add a tag, add multiple tags, and view tagged notes from the sidebar in Evernote. It's a simple feature, but once you start using it regularly, it can make a huge difference in how fast you find your notes. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Evernote tips, productivity tutorials, and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.